Hi there. Let's make tempura in a different way. Low-FODMAP, gluten-free. You can use any veggies in this recipe or tofu or meat. I hope you will find it interesting. At first start with making a dip sauce. Yogurt, mayo, tomato paste, mustard, veggie oil, vinegar, soy sauce, sunflower seeds. Dip sauce is ready. It's time to make a batter. Starch, corn flour, rice flour, spices of your choice. I used cilantro, ginger, asafoetida, oregano, stevia, paprika, mist, water, I have some patty pan squash. Deep fry in batches. Enjoy! Thanks for watching.